Hey, how are you guys doing today? So today's goal is essentially, I gotta just get my mind right a little bit. So I've got all the bushings taken off the GTO. The rear of the Le Mans is taken apart. I haven't touched any of my cars in quite a while. So I'm just gonna throw a battery in the Camaro really quickly, start it for the first time in months, move it really quick just so I can kind of get a look at it again. I just miss walking by it.
Yeah, so some of you guys might actually be wondering why I'm not driving the Camaro on a regular basis. Well, I kind of killed the car. I was out and about and did a full run, went to shift into third, heard some grinding, lost third and fourth. So I drove 55 miles, I think, in second gear with 342 gears. So it was not fun and it sucked down some gas. You know, but that said, I mean, I got home and the car didn't leave me stranded, so I can't be mad, really mad at it. It's given me a lot of miles over the last 2 years, a lot of hard miles. So even if the transmission is done, it's about $1,000, not a big deal. That said, I do have this 4L80. I know there's a few guys telling me to use the 4L80, and I really just do not want to deal with conversion. So this 4L80 needs to go. Feel free to get a hold of me. I'll leave my email in the description. It is in Southwest Michigan. I want to trade that for a 700R4. Ideally, that works. So if you have a 700R4 from an LS swap and you're looking for a transmission, let me know. Because, dude, I would love to make that trade if at all possible. Now, to be fair, I think that's probably from me putting in with the wrong funnel. So I think what I'm gonna do in the morning is go pick up some transmission fluid and see what we can end up with the Camaro. I'd like to get this car driving again before the end of the year. The question is this stuff gonna matter at all? Probably not. It's probably the clutch packs for 3 and 4. This is just typically what it is on these. So hopefully we can get something to replace it, because I've got a feeling. But let's take it down the road and just kind of see how things end up. No third, kind of what we expected, but it's what it is. Let's do a quick 1-2 pull, just for a little bit of fun. Get this thing put away until we get a new transmission or get a rebuild. Hopefully Tuesday we'll have a new transmission, and we can get this thing actually going. Well, unfortunately, nothing really got fixed, and the camera shot across the car during that 1-2 pull. Hopefully, you guys at least hear it. I mean, the thing's running fine, so if I get a transmission behind it, it should be okay, at least to finish out the year. If you guys want to see more of this car, subscribe, because we're going to have a lot more stuff with this car coming up really soon. And while you're at it, give this video a like, just so I know, you actually like it. But have a good one, guys, and I will see you on the road eventually, maybe.